Leapmotor officially unveiled its all-new flagship SUV, the Leapmotor D19, on October 16. The first in the Leapmotor D series, this full-size SUV is equipped with dual Qualcomm Snapdragon 8797 chipsets and offers both pure electric and extended-range powertrain options. The extended-range version boasts a pure electric range of up to 500 kilometers, while the pure electric model offers a maximum range of 720 kilometers. The new model is expected to launch in the first quarter of 2026 and has an estimated price range of 250,000 to 300,000 yuan. It adopts a balanced, family-style, universal realm front design. The vehicle, equipped with megapixel DLP projection headlights, also features ADB Intelligent Adaptive High Beam, Intelligent Dynamic Headlight Carpet, Intelligent Welcome Lighting, and an AGS Active Air Intake Grille, among other features. The side profile features a simple design with hidden door handles. The front and rear fenders extend slightly beyond the body, and camera equipment is housed in the front fenders. The fenders are fitted with 21-inch aspirational wheels and Michelin high-performance quiet tires. The vehicle is available in 5 colors: Pine Valley Green, Liquid Silver, Metallic Black, Skylight Gray, and Photoelectric White. The rear of the vehicle continues its minimalist style with an ultra-wide 1958mm ISD intelligent interactive light curtain that runs through the taillight cluster. This light curtain features 11,025 LEDs and supports multi-scenario intelligent lighting. Below the light cluster is the Leapmotor English logo. The rear bumper is the same color as the body, and the concave shape of the license plate frame and the silver strip running through it create a striking three-dimensional effect. In terms of interior space and comfort, the automotive-grade Moria oxygen cabin is equipped with a 60-inch AR HUD and 120-degree zero-gravity seats made of Napa full-grain leather. In terms of intelligence, the new vehicle is the world's first to utilize Qualcomm Snapdragon Dual 8797 chips with 1280 TOPS processing power, 36 large cores, and the Leap 4.0 central domain control architecture to enable cabin driver integration and multi-domain collaboration, opening over 500 interfaces. It is also equipped with a VLA-assisted driving system and a large model intelligent cockpit at the front. It is available in both pure electric and range-extended versions. The range-extended version offers a pure electric range of 500 kilometers with range-extended CTC battery technology and an 80.3 kilowatt-hour battery. System power is 400 kilowatts and wheel-end torque is 7,850 Newton-meters. It also features an intelligent, all-wheel drive range extender system. Its dual-energy motor and all-wheel drive range extender are a world first, and the integrated drive generator system reduces system weight by more than 60 kilograms, increasing overall range by over 5%. The pure electric version is equipped with a full-stack 1000V ternary electric system and a 115 kilowatt-hour super hybrid battery cell. It boasts a 720-kilometer pure electric range, 540 kilowatts total power, 8,770 Newton-meters of wheel-end torque, and is equipped with the industry's first 34-in-1 super thermal management module. In terms of driving control and safety, the new vehicle features 3 vector-controlled motors and accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds. It also features dual-run flat tire stability, micro-stepping, and compass turning. The chassis utilizes a dual-chamber enclosed air suspension with CDC vibration damping, delivering 50,500 Newton-meters per degrees torsional rigidity. For safety, 2 GPa high-strength steel is used at 16 points throughout the vehicle, along with 5 circular heavy-gauge steel A-pillar designs. The vehicle features level 10 battery safety protection and supports AEB braking from 4 to 150 km per hour. The platform is built on Leapmotor's Flagship D platform, perfected through a decade of technological development. Leapmotor independently developed its all-new energy vehicle architecture, electrical and electronic architecture, battery system, electric drive system, intelligent cockpit system, and driver assistance system. Additionally, the new vehicle utilizes components sourced from world-class partners, including CATL battery cells, ZF generators, Bosch Konghui double-chamber air suspension, Qualcomm chips, and Michelin tires.